In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your Costco membership online with ease. Renewing your membership is vital to keep enjoying all the fantastic deals and benefits that Costco offers. Let's get started. First, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to the Costco website. Once there, you'll notice their welcoming homepage full of all sorts of deals and information. Don't get distracted just yet. Our task for today is to renew your membership. This process is very straightforward, so let's walk through it together. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Renew Membership link. Typically, this is situated prominently on their homepage to make it easy for current members who, like you, are eager to renew and continue enjoying Costco's benefits. Clicking on this link will direct you to the Membership Renewal page. Once you're on the Membership Renewal page, you'll see a field prompt asking for your membership number. Have your membership card handy and type the number into the designated area. It's important to enter your membership number accurately, as this ensures that your renewal can be processed smoothly without any hitches. After entering your membership number, look for the Add button and click it to proceed. This will move you to the Payment section, where you will finalize your renewal. Choosing the right payment method is crucial here. Costco only accepts Visa R and MasterCard for membership renewals online. So make sure you have one of these cards ready for this step. Select your preferred card and, if necessary, enter the required payment details. While you're there, you'll also notice a checkbox that gives you the option to automatically renew your membership each year. Checking this box can be quite beneficial, especially if you're someone who might forget to renew manually each year. By consenting to this option, you'll ensure continuity of your membership without any interruptions, allowing you to always take advantage of what Costco has to offer. Once all that's done, you're all set. You've successfully renewed your Costco membership online, and you can now continue enjoying the wide array of products and services offered. Remember, if you have any questions or run into issues during this process, Costco's customer service is just a phone call or email away, ready to assist you. By following these steps, you're ensuring that you continue to experience the savings and exclusive benefits that come with being a Costco member. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching and enjoy shopping at Costco.